this video we're going to change the startup screen on the standard head unit on the Toyota 86, so the startup and the turn off screens hopefully. So what we need for this is basically an old-fashioned SD card. This is just the adapter one. There's supposed to be a little SD in this little gap here, so I popped down to the store and grabbed one for 20 bucks. It's just a small micro SD with the adapter, so we know it's all going to work. You're going to need an SD reader or a USB adapter on a computer that doesn't have one. Okay, we're going to upload our files onto here and then pop it into the car and change it on the head unit, and hopefully it all works. So let's see how we go. So we need to pop this in here. Guess it goes this way. Push it in, and then I guess we lock it. I think that's good to go. So next. Okay, so just an update. I didn't know this, but this little locking mechanism on the side here that you can click on and off, this is actually to write protect it. So it's not just to lock the little card in there, as I originally first thought. So make sure that's on there, otherwise it'll be write protected and you can't copy anything. Which means my GoPro USB micro SD card, sorry, probably would have worked. I should have tried that before. Oh well, let's try that again. So drag over the startup image, which we have. Display off image, and someone else said just put images in the folder and that will come up, so we'll do all three just to make sure. So yeah, startup image has to be written like this, exactly as shown, and display off image should look like this as well. Obviously the folder that you want in there to start it up with. Hopefully that should work. Yep. You'll have to mess around in Photoshop if there's borders or it doesn't fit. This will be the off logo. The dead life logo. Okay, so next step will be to pop it in the car. So we want to eject this first, just don't go yanking it out, which I was about to do. One tick. Eject the memory card. Take that little fella out. Okay, and now we go put this in the car. Out the SD card. Putting in the new one. Startup screen. Yes. Awesome, the Aearonjer startup screen. So now, I don't know how we go back now, back to audio, back to info, and SD eject. Okay, so that should be good to go. You kind of just have to push it with your finger now, carefully take that out. Replace your original one. Just going to give this a quick wipe. This is the Australian Toyota looking one. Let me pop this one in. Gently does it. Nice. Just make sure we can go to maps. Alright, and we have to wait for this to initialize. I agree. And get rid of my map. Audio back. Oh, we don't want that. We're going to get copyright struck. Okay, so let's see if that works now. Make sure it's still recording. So, engine off. Engine start. Aearonjer. Fantastic. Thanks guys, that was nice and easy. Cheers. Any questions, just leave some comments below. Thank you.